Hey!
I'm so sorry.
Hey everybody, this is Brian and Clayton with Chirp, and we are here today to help you learn a couple tips and tricks of how to get the most out of your Chirp wheels beyond just rolling. Let's get started. All right, for this first tip, you're going to be using the 12-inch wheel or 10-inch wheel, one of the bigger ones, because they're gonna help you stretch more than massage you. It's gonna be a hip opening stretch, and the reason why a lot of people have actually back pain because of tight hips is because all day, a lot of people are sitting most of the day, and what's happening is these muscles in the hips are getting tight and tight and tight. And when you stand up, some of those muscles actually connect to your lower back, and that pulls and strains on your lower back when you have those tight muscles. So releasing the tension in your hips is actually gonna help reduce your back pain. Let's go. All right, for the hip stretch, you're gonna need at least a 10-inch or 12-inch wheel because they are large enough to actually help you stretch. How you're gonna start is you're gonna put it behind your back like you're normally rolling out, and then you're going to slowly again lift up your hips, start rolling out, and you're gonna go back, back, back. Might wanna keep your hands on the ground to stabilize yourself until your upper back is on the ground, your hips are in the air, and you're gonna feel that stretch all the way through your hip flexors. You can sit there for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, as long as you need to help get that stretch all in your hip flexors and help loosen up. Once you're finished, you can slowly come back up, and now you're done. And that's the hip stretch. All right, this next tip is all about the 4-inch Chirp Wheel Plus and XR. What it's gonna be doing is helping relieve neck pain through traction and suboccipital release. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to use the 4-inch Chirp Wheel. So all you're gonna do for this one is you are going to place it below your neck, like this, and you're just gonna relax and let your head sink back. What this is gonna do is it's going to help traction your neck or relieve pressure on the discs in between your vertebrae. On the Chirp Wheel Plus, if you want a little bit of pressure and you have tight muscles at the base of your skull, you can move your head side to side to kind of hit those muscles and massage out a little bit of that tension. The Chirp Wheel XR comes with finger nodes and thumb nodes to really help hit those trigger points. If you've ever been to a massage or a physical therapist, a lot of times what they'll do to you if you're in neck pain is they will grab your neck and head like this and put pressure on the trigger points underneath your skull, and they will pull back, both tractioning and performing what's called suboccipital release. When we designed the Chirp Wheel XR, we designed the finger and thumb nodes specifically after this technique to help relieve tension, headaches, and to help relieve neck pain. So all you're gonna do is place the Chirp Wheel XR underneath your head, line up those nodes with the pressure points on your head, let your head rest over. It's gonna traction your neck and replicate a suboccipital release. We wouldn't recommend rolling out on this wheel as that could actually cause harm, but you can move your head to the right, to the left, as you feel tender spots on your neck. And again, you just stay there, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, up to a minute if you'd like. It's very soothing. And Clayton's head is in the 99th percentile, so
Soothed.
so if his head's not breaking the wheel, yours probably is gonna be fine. All right, this final tip is gonna be using the 6-inch Chirp Wheel Plus for posture correction throughout the day. Let's get started. If you sit at a desk all day or you're on your phone all day, you're gonna usually kind of slouch over in your chair, and that's gonna be putting a lot of pressure on the discs in between your vertebrae. So all you do for this is it's simple. You're just gonna place it at the bottom of your chair, right on the small of your back, your lower back, and that is going to help redirect the curvature of your spine and relieve pressure on those discs. It's simple, it's easy, and it's effective. And that's all for this tip. Thanks everyone for joining us today. Hopefully these tips and tricks we taught are gonna help you be able to feel good and do more. We'll see you next time.
My smile does get tired.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. My hands are always clammy. Sorry.